What's up everyone, it's your boy Gester over here. Let's go. So right now I'm playing 99 Nights in the Forest with 3 players and it's super laggy right now, this game. I wanna play the update when it's Sunday. It's Sunday for us, 2 a.m. So yeah. And this cat update is super good. Also that when we play this game, it's super hard to play without someone or with someone who's a pro but they're not pros with me though, because you you remember that when I still record. And so yeah, look at this game. This game is super laggy. Look at that. And gameplay paused for me, but I have the Wi-Fi connected and I just swipe it away, all of the notifications, news, song cannot be deleted. Snooze that TikTok, but I don't want to. So I swipe something that I've played and never meaning to me though that this game. So look at the sign, the board for Dino Kids and the whole map. Look at that. So I want to take a picture for this too. So mind that picturing. I need this. Who's Bruno? So I just press the sprint button, but the sprint button didn't even do anything. I just take a picture and then I take another picture. So yeah, that's what the lag is. So bye.